What's going on, YouTube? It's been a little while since I've done an update. Just been too busy with stuff with this truck. So just a kind of a quick update. New master cylinder. I tried to do the new buddy style, but couldn't get the master cylinder to do quite what I needed it to do, which was not leak. I tried all the tricks, just couldn't get it to go. So, let's see, the radiator's new, upper lower hose is new, alternator's new, water pump, fan clutch, of course the air filter, let's see, temperature sending switch, thermostat housing, battery, just the typical maintenance stuff. And I don't know if you guys know how hard it is to get a cowl induction hood for an OBS during pandemic, but it's not super amazing. Took 7 weeks from the time that I ordered, and let's see, I haven't put in the new side markers because I want to get the new grill installed first. But new headlights, new turn signals on the bottom underneath the headlights. Let's see, got a new bumper, I don't even know what to call that thing, some sort of guard, I don't know. And then bumper filler right there. And of course you guys have already seen the soft dates and the tires. There's all new springs, suspension, everything underneath is new. All upper lower ball joints. Actually, I did the whole control arm, upper and lower on both sides, springs, inner and outer tie rods, center link, drag links, all of it's new. Waiting on new chrome pieces to come right here. I was just gonna paint these, but they were 45 bucks. I said, why not just get new ones? So that's what I did. And then put a roll pan on. Got new tail lights coming. They'll be here sometime this week. New third brake light coming. Let's see, I don't think we talked about the tint, but I did 5% on the back window, 5% on the extended cab portion window. I think it's 17%. I can't remember. 15 or 17. It's dirty right now because I had a new headliner put in. Give a shout out to the guy that did it. It's 405 headliners for all my local Oklahoma peeps. He did it for 190. Interior needs to be cleaned out again. He must have done it in his front yard or something, because I got grass everywhere. And let's see, all the door locks, the window, electric window switches, they're all new. The remote mirror switch is new. I got a new headlight switch. Got the new switch right there for the air conditioning. I ordered my stereo. It's been a while. Haven't been able to get that quite yet. So, don't know what the holdup is. Must be pandemic related. One of the cool things is I got a lower brow. I got an upper brow. So I've got about a 14-inch or so viewing before this comes into play, where that comes into play. My buddy over at Vance Upfitters in Guthrie did that for me, and he's done a lot of the work on this as well. He's a good guy. So that's just a quick update for what's been going on right now. Gonna do a bed liner in it, as far as like the chemical kind, not the actual plastic one that slides in, slides out. But that's where we're at. So hope you guys have a great day.